Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the patch template and just give you an overview of all that entails. So in the patch making folder in the Google Drive, I have patch template, and I saved that as an InDesign template, which basically just means that it creates its own unique copy. So if you open it up in InDesign, it opens it up as an untitled InDesign file. So you can't save over the original. It creates its own unique copy that you can edit however you want to and save however you want to. So that's pretty handy. So first off, this is the place where you'll put your patch image. Whether it is an Illustrator picture, if you've hand drawn it and scanned it in and color corrected it or whatever, this is where you will put it. So you'll just hide. Well, first off, go to layers. And if you don't have that on there, you can go to window and then go down to layers and click that, and it should come up on the side. So click layers, and I have the layers organized. So pictures is the first page. So you'll open that up and hide this layer, and then I've kind of got a bounding box here, so you will just put your picture in there. It doesn't need to be any particular size. I would just say don't make it too small. Make sure that it fills in that space pretty well. So once you get that in there, then you go down to the second page. You can see in the layers I've kind of got things organized, but the gist of it is this is all saved as a group, so you'll just double click it to access one particular thing, and then you'll be able to edit that text box. So put your name, change your thread colors using that swatch image that I have on Drive. So just pick which two colors you want to use, and then your outline color, same thing. Just pick one of the two that you've already chosen for that. Patch size, so the maximum is 2.5 inches, and then the minimum is 1.5. So just tell me whatever size you want it to be. And then for the notes, if you're using a typeface, so say you're not hand drawing your text, maybe you've used a typeface for it, just tell me which one that is, and then when you submit your patch design, just upload like an OTF or a TTF file of whatever font you used, especially if it's one that's you got off like Google Fonts, something like that, which is a great resource to have. So once you've edited all those things, you'll just go to File, Export, and go to your Drive, and then Final. You'll create a folder with your name like we've been doing for everything else. Save it as a JPEG. Hit save. This stuff doesn't really matter because we're not really making or saving this document as anything in particular. It's not really going to be used for print or web stuff, so I wouldn't really worry about these settings. So whatever you've got set is probably good, and then just hit export, and then yeah, good to go. So that's kind of the gist of the patch template. If you have any questions or need any help with anything on here, don't hesitate to let me know. Slack, email, whatever works for you. Cool. All right, I will see you guys later.